Hello everyone and welcome to the Excel Hub. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a currency converter like this one by extracting up-to-date currency data online. This currency converter will allow us to convert US dollars into one of 53 currencies as shown here. So let's open a new worksheet and let's get started. As a first step, we're going to extract the currency data from an online website. I've chosen this source over here as it contains all the main exchange rates. Let's copy the link, enter the data tab within our sheet, and click from web. Let's then paste the link and click OK. Here we will select table 1 as it contains all the data that we need and click load. Once the data has loaded, it should look something like this. Let's change the name of this sheet to currency data and enter a new sheet which we will call currency converter. Our currency converter will have one section denoting what we have, which in our case is the US dollar, and another section denoting what we want, which will be one of the 53 currencies provided in the other sheet. To enable the user to select one of these currencies from a list, we can use data validation. To do this, enter the data tab and select the data validation icon. We're going to choose list, and within source, enter the list of currencies provided in the currency data sheet. Now when we click on this arrow, we're able to select one of the 53 currencies available. Below, we want to be able to input the amount of US dollars we have and retrieve the equivalent amount of Australian dollars we would get based on the current exchange rate. In other words, if we have $1 US, we want to obtain 1.44 Australian dollars based on the current exchange rate. To calculate the applicable exchange rate automatically, we're going to use the VLOOKUP function. We are looking up the Australian dollar within the table provided in the currency data sheet, and we're looking to retrieve the value in the second column, which corresponds to the exchange rate. We can then click false as it is an exact match. We're then going to multiply this by the amount of US dollars we currently have to obtain the amount of Australian dollars we want. Now when we change the currency to pounds, and when we change the amount of US dollars we have to $10, you can see that the output changes automatically. We can now take a few steps to make our currency converter look more visually appealing. Firstly, we can add a title, and we're going to merge these cells and then center align the title. We can also change the background color to light blue. Next, let's play around with the font sizes. So let's change the font size of the title to 48. And as you can see, the column widths are not wide enough, so we can adjust them by selecting them and clicking Alt-OCW. Let's go for a column width of 40. Let's change the font sizes over here to 36. And let's change the font sizes of the currencies to 16. And finally, let's make the font sizes of the amounts 28. We can now change the font colors. Now the font colors for all cells except for the amounts will be grey. Our currency converter is nearly complete. Let's just add a few finishing touches. Firstly, let's remove the grid lines by entering the View tab and unticking grid lines. We can also add an equal sign here and align the amounts left. Let's change the background of these cells to white. Finally, we will add an arrow here to make it look nicer. To do this, enter the Insert tab, select Icons, and within Icons, we're going to select this one over here. Since our currency converter is using online data, we can refresh it by entering the Data tab and clicking Refresh All. This brings us to the end of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.